If you run a Facebook group, group insights are a great way to get an idea of how the membership is doing, who the top contributors are, lots of other things. I'll show you how it works in this video. Here we go. So here in the group, I can see on the left hand side, obviously you've got to be an admin or a moderator. I can see group insights, and you can see three basic areas: who are the admins and moderators, who are the members, and how many posts. In the units section, so that's something that you have training units, how many of them have been completed. So if I click on more member details, I'll get an idea of who the top contributors over the last 28 days are. We're going to break down a membership in the group, so I can see pretty even split, 50-50, top countries and locations. So interesting insight. In terms of the units, there's more details about who's completed the units. And here under admin and moderators, you can also see a summary. So 1.1 thousand members, how many comments and reactions in the last 28 days. And here you can click on growth, and you can get an idea of how the group has grown, how requests have been coming in, and also engagement details as well. So which posts, what days are popular, and popular times to post. So that's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.